Hello friends and welcome. So we're going to do a combination of a little bit of breath work while in a restorative pose, kind of in that feeling depleted and trying to restore our body theme. So we're going to do shins up. You could do legs up the wall. That's not as accessible to everybody, right? But this, usually everyone can find a surface to put their shins up on. So I have something on top, so it's a little bit higher for my shins. Also, it gives me a little bit of warmth, so I'm not on a cold surface, but whatever you got around, that will do, where you can put your shins up, right? I bring my butt pretty close. I'm going to bring my hands to the ground and roll onto my back and bring my shins up. I kind of move myself around until I find that my knee crease is hopefully all the way into whatever surface I'm on. Build your shins up higher if you need to get more of that 90 degree. And then go ahead and let your arms either come out by the side. I'm going to bring one hand on my belly and one hand on my heart. I'm feeling a need for a little bit of self-compassion today as well, and self-touch is a great way to help with that, right? And then close your eyes and start to settle in. And we'll add the breath in just a moment, but before we do, just quick body scan and checking in. If your face muscles are tight, your shoulders, jaw, or not your jaw, sorry, your hips, right? Anywhere else, check in with those hips and the legs particularly. Make sure that you're not holding on as they are lying in this position. And if you need to put like blocks or something on the outside of the legs so that they don't feel like they're going to roll out or whatever that might be, support them so they don't feel like they have to hold on. It doesn't defeat the purpose, but we're using energy, right, that we don't need to use, and potentially activating the sympathetic nervous system, right? We want to soften everything. And then the way we're going to work with the breath is we're going to do a little retention of the inhale, right? So we're going to count in on 5. We'll hold the inhale in on 5. And then we're going to exhale out on 10. We're going to try to hold the exhale out for a count of 2, and then do the whole thing again. 5, 5, 10, 2, right? And you can make that 4, 4, 8, 2 if it feels like this is too long of a breath for you. Exhale, so we're in the same place. No stress or no strain, right? Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Exhale, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 2, 1. And now just go to your regular breath. Whatever that pattern is just beautiful. And again, remember, if there's stress or strain or you're feeling agitated, you might not work with the breath, or you might slow the breath down to a lower count. And as you start to learn this breath and play with it, you might even find that you lengthen it a little bit. Not because you're going to win a prize or become more enlightened, right? But because that's where your natural state of breath is resting. Any movement that you would like. You could stay here, you're in your own space on a device. You could just hit stop and stay where you are, or let it play out. Knees in the chest, rolling to the fetal, being aware something might be towards your buttocks or your feet. Push the floor away. Come on up to an upright posture. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Gently bow the head in. Namaste, friends. So I tried to make a nice short little ditty, hopefully about 5 minutes, and that way it's easier for some of you to fit into your schedule. And if you're looking for someone to guide you instead of you just doing it by yourself, there you are, friends. Try to do this every day or as many times as you can around the hour of 10 or 2 or both if you can. And hopefully that's going to help you find some deep rest, some restoration and healing within your body to help with that empty gas tank, right, with that depletion. Be well, friends. Love you.